I'm making over my nephew's room, and I wanted to reflect his passion for music. His carpet was a boring builder's grade beige, and it was stained and worn, so I decided to get rid of it. I removed the carpet, pulling it up and cutting it into manageable pieces using a utility knife. When the carpet was removed, I cut the padding underneath and pulled that up too. Along the edge of all flooring, there are these things that are called tack strips, and that's what holds the carpet in place. I removed those using a crowbar and a hammer and a little muscle. After the floor was vacuumed, I began to cut pieces of sheet music apart, and I just used a utility knife, slicing right down the spine. To glue the music to the floor, I mixed 4 parts white glue to 1 part water and shook it well. I poured the glue into a paint pan, and then using a small foam brush, I rolled the glue onto the floor. I placed the music on top of the wet glue and then rolled more glue on top of the music. I used a small paintbrush to get under the baseboard anytime I needed to. I varied the design of the music with one sheet facing horizontal and then the next vertical. The music was a culmination of my nephew's primer music, tunes he played in band, and vintage sheet music that was bought at an estate sale. I completed the floor using small sheets of music that he played in marching band. After allowing the floor to dry for 24 hours, I applied 1 coat of polyurethane that's made for floors. When that coat dried, I applied a 2nd coat. Once the floor was completely dry, there were spots of polyurethane that seeped underneath the music, but I kind of liked the patina it added to the floor, especially on the vintage sheet music. Now when you enter his bedroom, you can see how music is at the center of his life.